Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about breast pumping and explain how creating a simple routine can make pumping easier and more comfortable every day. For many mothers, pumping becomes an important part of caring for their baby. Whether you're returning to work, building a milk supply, or planning ahead, a good routine can make a big difference. Before every session, wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and assembled correctly. A clean setup helps create a safe and comfortable pumping experience. Choose a quiet place where you can sit comfortably and relax. Many mothers find that a peaceful environment makes pumping sessions feel more enjoyable. Before turning on the pump, keep everything you need within reach, including storage containers, water, and cleaning supplies. Being prepared helps the session go more smoothly. Start pumping with a gentle setting and allow your body a few minutes to adjust. There is no need to rush or immediately increase the suction. A slow and steady rhythm often works best. During the session, try to stay relaxed and focus on your routine instead of constantly checking the amount collected. Every pumping session can be a little different, and that's completely normal. When you're finished, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Staying organized makes future feedings easier. Finally, clean all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to air dry before storing them for the next session. Remember that every mother's pumping journey is unique. The most important thing is finding a routine that fits your lifestyle and feels comfortable to maintain. With patience, consistency, and good preparation, pumping can become a smooth and rewarding part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.